Some of you say, I had a good time last night. This is me having a good time last night. My Lord, it's not even 5 o'clock and everybody else out of here is already packed up and left. I'm still here. Maybe I should pack up and leave. It is 5 o'clock. I've been just kind of goofing around, not really doing anything. I got 2 engines I'm waiting for parts for. No, 1 engine, sorry. 1 engine waiting for parts for. 90% of my life here is waiting for parts. Shop update on Tony. Tony is my 53 Studebaker. I was trying to stay factory as much as possible with him, but he is going to be my new race car. I sold my other one, so he's going to be my new one. And I've already got him. When I got him, he was just nothing here. This is what the color looked like. So I've been touching up some paint and getting some of the green on there. This is what it was before. I don't like that. The patina, I'm not really a big, huge fan of it. So I'm going with this green, this little forest army green, whatever this is. And some, I don't know what this other green is, but that green, some olive green. So it's going to be olive green inside. I got to get a little bit of work done. So I'm going to be doing this hood in black. And then like all the trim pieces are all going to be. So now that is Tony right now. What I'm working on Tony right now, I have got to get his wheels all on. And then I got the two sets of set of tires I got to get put on this thing. So once I get those all matched up and I can get his wheels bolted on, I'm going to bolt them together. Oops. I do have a lot of interior I have to do for him. I get that floor over there. I got to get it welded in. So I'm going to be working on that. I got a lot of, I'm not doing no rear seats. I might be putting a little roll cage in here. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not looking to go super fast with them. I'm looking to go about, high 10s. That's all I'm looking for. I really don't want to go into the whole roll cage and get certifications and all that. But if I have to, I'll have to. I mean, if everything makes it head that direction, I will. I definitely will. Most definitely. But right now, we're working on them. I have plans to put a 400 small block in it, but it's not going to happen. I'm going to do a 427. I really want to do a 427 GM motor. That's what I'm wanting to do. Also with Dorothy. She's my other one that I'm building. So she's got what was left of her old motor. And right now we're trying to get her cleaned up. Some little bit of body work. I got to finish the white top. It's just going to be painted. It's not going to be anything crazy. So Dorothy is a 1955 Buick Roadmaster. I've got to get a little bit more work done to her. But again, when I got her, she wasn't much. I mean, look, she's got a busted window. I got her up off the ground real quick because I needed to get up underneath there and take a look at her 4-link. She's got 4-link, but someone was trying to put airbags on her, and that's not cool. So I got to get the airbags and all that stuff out from underneath there. And then I got to get her driveline off because I'm going to try to do a 427 in this one as well. 427 with like a 400 TH400, maybe a 2-speed, and then that's it. And then I don't think I'm going to be doing no power adders. If I do, it would be NOS, and that's it for both of them. It's not in the budget for anything else crazy. I got to get some seats for both of them. This one needs seats. This one over here. I'm super busy here. I think it's almost 8 o'clock at night. I'm trying to hustle, get these things. So I'm going to get back to you. And I got to finish these wheels. And I'm going to talk to you about these wheels real quick. So one of the things I've been working on Tony. See these wheels? I've been putting these wheels on Tony. But in order for these wheels to go on, I have got to hone this out just a little bit. The front wheels, the hub is just a little bit bigger than the rear. The rears are smaller. So, and the stock wheels that were on it are, look at this, they're just huge centerpieces. So I'm trying to figure out if they were stock to begin with. Look how big that hub is. That hub is just freaking massive, and all the holes. So I'm starting to think these are aftermarket wheels, like that one right there. That one's an aftermarket one too, and that's what was on it too. So I'm trying to put these Ford wheels on it. The bolt pattern is the same, but I'm honing this out. So give me a few more hours, because it's been taking me, it took me about 4 hours for that wheel, and I'm trying to cut down on time because I've been playing around with what I can use that will slowly take material out, not fast. So I found these stones. I was using this guy for a while, but it just doesn't seem like it was grinding into it. And so I wanted to grind into it, but slowly. I only need to take very little material out. So, and right now, looking too bad. See that lip right here? This lip, let's get this right here. This lip, I have to get rid of. And almost down through here, so I got most of this done. But I gotta go around and get rid of this lip. That lip is what's stopping things to go on. Now, back here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's just, it's concaved a little bit. So I don't know if you can really, let's see, let's put it right up here. See it? So it's right here. I gotta get that lip out of there. So give me a few hours. Okay, so I got the wheel on, but I still need to hone out a little bit more. It's not perfect. I'm probably gonna do it to both sides because it's gonna make me feel a lot better. I also need to get bigger lug nuts because these lug nuts sink pretty far down into the wheel and can't really get them in and out. So I'm gonna have to get some different type of style lug nuts, wheel or hubs and everything. It's gonna be fun because I don't know if you guys know this. Passenger side is lefty loosey, righty tighty. Driver side, however, is not. So when you do lefty loosey over here, it's not. It's righty loosey. Righty loosey. Beats the hell out of me why they did it that way. Maybe for the centrifugal force that they thought they needed to do it. I do not know the answer to that one. Maybe I'll look it up and I'll throw it in here. But anyways, it is now 9:20, I believe. I'm gonna get out of here. It is now almost it's 48 degrees. No, I'm sorry, 38 degrees. So it's getting cold. And shut it down and get out of here. See you on the next time.